Next is work done by a constant force. Means here we are taking the force constant. Means it is defined as product of magnitude of a force and distance covered by the body in the direction of force. Means ਜਿਹੜੀ direction ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ force ਲਗਾਈ ਹੈ ਉਹੀ direction ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜਾ work ਹੈ ਉਹ ਹੋਏਗਾ. ਹੁਣ ਮੰਨ ਲਓ ਕਿ let m is the any body whose mass is m. Clear? If we are taking the force in two direction, let this is Fy, means in y direction, this is Fx, and let their resultant be making an angle theta, means these two forces are acting and their resultant force is making an angle theta. So this body m will displace through a distance x. Clear? So now according to resolution of the components, horizontal component of force will be Fx is equal to F cos theta if this net result is F. We already know that the horizontal is always F cos theta, and vertical component is Fy is equal to F sin theta. Now we know that. Now we are saying in the definition that product of magnitude of force and distance covered by the body in direction of force, means in which direction force is applied, work is done in same direction. Means in this horizontal direction work is done, so we will consider the horizontal component of the force. So net W is equal to force into distance, so force we will take here Fx, so W is equal to F cos theta into S, or we can say that F dot S. Because we already know the definition of dot product, that it is the magnitude of the product of two vectors and cosine of angle. Here cos is there, so it will become F dot S. Clear? Our next topic, work done by a variable forces, or first of all we will consider work done in various situations. Work done in various situations means positive work done, negative work done, and zero work done. Here these three we will take. Clear? Now these work positive, negative, or zero, this is depend upon the angle, whether the angle is between F and S is acute, obtuse, and the 90 degree. If angle is acute, then work is positive. If angle is obtuse, then work is negative, and if angle is 90, work is zero. Clear? There are some examples of these work. Number one, positive work. When the body falls freely under the gravitational pull, then the work done by the gravity is positive. Means when body falls freely under gravitational pull, work done by gravity is positive. Means that gravity ne work kita, that is a positive work done. Then it's a second example, when a horse pulls a cart on a level road. When horse pulls a cart on a level road, means level road ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ horse ਨੇ cart ਨੂੰ pull ਕੀਤਾ, same direction ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ work ਹੋਇਆ, in which direction force is applied. Then negative work done, when a body moves over the surface of another body, then work done by frictional force. वर्क डन बाय द फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स इज नैगेटिव. जे एक बॉडी दूजी बॉडी की सरफेस के उपर मूव कर रही है, दैन जो फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स ने वर्क किया दैट इज नैगेटिव.